Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious waffles step by step. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 4 teaspoons of baking powder. For the wet components, have 2 large eggs, 1 3/4 cups of milk, and 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter ready. Don't forget to preheat your waffle iron to a medium-high setting. Now let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and a small pinch of salt. In a separate medium bowl, combine the wet ingredients, eggs, milk, melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and actually preferred to avoid tough waffles. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Lightly grease your preheated waffle iron with cooking spray or a little melted butter to prevent sticking. Pour approximately 1/2 cup of batter directly onto the center of the hot iron. Close the lid and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the steam stops and your waffles are beautifully golden brown and crisp. Cooking times may vary slightly by waffle iron. Your delicious homemade waffles are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm and crispy with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include a drizzle of maple syrup, a handful of fresh berries, or a generous dollop of whipped cream. You can also get creative with chocolate chips, nuts, or fruit compotes. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.